Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a sun using CSS. So we're gonna go to our folder tutorials, right click, go to new, create a new folder. We shall call our folder CSS Sun. After creating our folder, we shall go and open our Visual Studio Code. After opening our VS Code, we shall go to File, open folder, go to Tutorials, open the folder CSS Sun and select the folder. So now we have an empty folder. We are going to right click and create HTML file called index.html. After creating index.html, we shall create HTML structure by pressing Shift ! And press enter. And here is our HTML structure. We shall give it a title of CSS Sun. And let's open our file with Live Server. And so now let's create a div and give it a class of Sun. Now that we have our div in here, what we are going to do is we are going to style our Sun. So below the title, we shall create CSS style. So the first thing, we are going to style the body. Let's give it a background color of midnight blue. And let's give it a box sizing, border box, margin 0, padding 0, justify content center. Then we align items, center. Then give it display or flex. And then let's give it a height of 100 vertical height. So this is the general style for the body. Then we shall style our class Sun, which is right here. We shall give it a border radius of 50%. Let's give it a background color FF7518. Then let's give it a width of 200 pixels and height of 200 pixels. So that's what we have now. So we shall give it a box shadow 0, 0, 35 pixels and give it a color which is a bit yellowish, which is FFF00, comma 0, 0, 25 pixels, give it the same color and then insert. So that is our Sun in just 30 lines of code. So basically that's how you can create a simple Sun. So when we view it in a bigger device, this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.